You want to improve your English. Subscribe for more videos.
Eat. He is eating breakfast right now. He is eating breakfast right now.
Sleep. They usually sleep for 8 hours at night. They usually sleep for 8 hours at night. Read. She enjoys reading mystery novels. She enjoys reading mystery novels. Write. He is writing a letter to his friend. He is writing a letter to his friend. Dance. They danced all night at the party. They danced all night at the party. Play. The children are playing in the backyard. The children are playing in the backyard. Draw. She can draw beautiful flowers. She can draw beautiful flowers. Cook. She is cooking dinner for her family. She is cooking dinner for her family. Swim. They swim in the pool every weekend. They swim in the pool every weekend. Jump. The cat jump high to catch the toy. The cat jump high to catch the toy. Talk. They like to talk about their favorite book. They like to talk about their favorite book. Listen. She is listening to her favorite song. She is listening to her favorite song. Watch. He is watching a movie in the theater. He is watching a movie in the theater. Work. She works as a teacher in a school. She works as a teacher in a school. Sing. He sings beautifully in the choir. He sings beautifully in the choir. Study. They are studying for their upcoming exams. They are studying for their upcoming exams. Clean. She cleans her room every weekend. She cleans her room every weekend. Walk. They usually walk to the park in the evening. They usually walk to the park in the evening. Run. She loves to run in the park every morning. She loves to run in the park every morning. Drink. She drinks coffee for breakfast every morning. She drinks coffee for breakfast every morning.